Hey everybody, welcome to episode 5 of the V8 XC70 project. Now that the car is operational, it's up and running, Paul and Ken and everybody worked out the bugs as far as getting it to where we could drive it and get it aligned properly after all the suspension work that we did. So now that the alignment's done, we feel good about putting our wheel and tire package on it. We are going with 1552 Wanderers. This wheel right here comes in a couple different colors, which we offer on our website. This is a 17-inch off-road wheel. It's really cool. It's got an offset of 40, and we decided to go with the Toyo Open Countries with a 235/65/17 with a 30 mil lift on this car, so it's going to come out pretty well. We like the height. We've seen other people with this height. We've experimented with the sizes of wheels and tires, so we're just excited that it's going to be on this XC70 V8. The other thing that we're doing just to make life a little bit easier, when you get a heavier wheel and tire on a car, it's never fun trying to get the holes lined up with the wheel for the lug bolts. So we decided to go ahead and go with our wheel stud conversion kit. IPD offers the stud conversion kit for this model, which has the extended studs. So that way you can use spacers if you want, or you can go with the factory style length of the studs if you don't want to run spacers. But on our project, we decided to go ahead and make it look appropriate by adding a 15 mil spacer here in the back and adding the longer studs, and it will make life a lot easier when putting these wheels and tires on the vehicle or servicing the vehicle for that matter. So we're really excited to get these on the vehicle. We want to thank 1552 for hooking us up with the Wanderer package. They've got all different styles. They call it the MX series, which we do offer on our website. A couple other different off-road wheels that are in 17-inch that will fit your car. So we're getting ready to put these on ours, and we can't wait to see what it looks like.
They're about the same depth. Cool. Yeah. Oh, over here is one that it's tucked in. Yeah.
Yeah, it's always weird. Every time we look at them, some of the things that we look at when adding a wheel and tire package to the Volvo is how much clearance there is here on the front and in the back, obviously, and also at full droop and when it's on the ground, because a lot of the suspension moves, which pushes the wheel back, it pushes the wheel forward, and when we're out there on a trail or if the suspension, a lot of oscillation, we just want to make sure that we're not getting any rubbing. So that's why we went with the tire package. The 235/65/17 works out really well. We've seen others around the world that have 30 mil lift kits on their P3 XC70s that run this size of wheel and tire, and it works out really well. And we like the fit and finish of the look, so it's kind of exciting that this is on the vehicle. We've looked at it, and we'll get all four of them on there and drop it on the ground and see how she looks.
Yeah, she settled. We're back up probably 3/4 of the beach.